Imagine slashing truck accidents by 89%. Sounds impossible? In 2025, AI is making it reality. Fleets are saving millions, while rivals struggle. Today, I reveal the $1.2 million secret transforming trucking. Let's dive in. Human error causes 87% of truck accidents. Fatigue, distraction, blind spots. Traditional solutions failed, until now. Meet AI guardian angels. Systems so advanced, they predict danger before it happens. Fusion site services cut accidents by 89%. High-risk driving, down 92%. How? AI doesn't sleep, doesn't blink, and it's watching 24/7. Here's the breakthrough. For $1.2 million, fleets install a triple shield AI defense. First, fatigue-fighting cameras. AI tracks eye movements, head position, even micro-muscle twitches, spotting fatigue 10 seconds before a driver feels it. Guardian by Seeing Machines sends live alerts, saving lives in real time. Second, predictive maintenance. AI analyzes engine sounds, brake heat patterns, predicting failures 500 hours before they happen. No more roadside nightmares. Third, collision lasers. LiDAR sensors map 500 yards ahead, seeing through rain, fog, total darkness. Automatic braking kicks in at 99.9% accuracy. One fleet saved $6.5 million. ROI, 2,000%. Cheap compared to crashes. Europe's leading with AI truck regulations. The EU's AI Act mandates safety-first tech. German fleets use AI brake systems, cutting rear ends crashes by 75%. In Texas, Kodiak Robotics runs driverless freight corridors. 100-plus loads delivered flawlessly. But here's the shocker. Basic AI kits cost just $10,000. Small fleets can compete. Forget driverless hype. Today's winner is AI-assisted safety, human plus machine, unbeatable. By 2027, Aurora's launching highway autopilots, trucks that drive solo, but with a twist. Human overseers in remote control centers. Jobs aren't dying, they're evolving. Data analyst roles in trucking? Up 25% by 2029. Safety meets opportunity. Want your fleet to save $1.2 million? Start with AI dashcams or predictive maintenance. Drop your questions below.